arrogant Paddy bird. In the far past, there were a herd of birds decorated in a village of Paddy. The oldest bird of the group was appointed by one to lead the rally. Time flies. The fields they have found so far food has come and completely destroyed by a rainstorm. So they have to fly to another place, find food, as the journey is very difficult. All almost gathered, get advice from the leader. Each of the members expressed their views there. Leader, we need to pay more attention to safety as it's a long journey, right? Another bird said, I think everyone to live together. They stopped somewhere of the heat. Another one said, houses should be built because they can't return to the usual accommodation after reaching the destination. The leader bird said, children, everyone should always be cooperated and coordinated with everyone in their team, so respected others' opinions. Well, then let's go our homes and start the journey tomorrow. The people who talk like this left for a journey the next morning. After a long time, they saw a good field far away. When I looked closely, I felt very happy to see how it's golden. One beans are shaken by the wind. The people who reached there early were ready to eat beans. Suddenly, the leader started to remove everyone. After seeing something, collided nearby with a loud voice. But one of the birds in the middle refused to leave. This bird had more traits than the others in the herd, so everyone went away. The bird that was eating beans along with guns was suddenly caught by a trap nearby. No matter how much I tried to survive, I didn't get the chance for it. And after continuing attempts, even more trapped in the trap and finally died. The arrogant Paddy bird.